guys! Welcome back to our channel. So today, what we're gonna do is Dynamite lumpia. So here are our ingredients. What do you call this in English? Jalapeno. Sorry.
The monotif.
Jalapeno. Second, the cheese. Any cheese will do. Hot dogs, lumpia wrapper, and 2 bowls, and yeah, the knife, and what do you call this?
Chopping board.
Chopping board. Yeah, because I'm not good in cooking. So let's go. First, you will cut this in half and then get the insides.
Get the seeds.
Get the seeds.
Cut it open.
Like that. Just a straight cut. Always remember not to really literally cut it in half, but leave some,
Yeah.
leave the ends sticking to each other so that you can eat like that.
Yeah.
Then
Take out the seeds.
take out the seeds like that. You can scrape it using spoon or anything, but what I do is scrape it using the knife. Because we need to be resourceful. Always check the ends of the jalapeno because there might be seeds. Okay, like this. See, it's clean?
Yeah.
Like that.
And
So
do this
we're
for
good.
the rest.
Yes, do the same.
While she's doing that,
Sibuyas dahon.
I am going to cut the hot dog and the cheese in strips.
Yes, strips.
Op, 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 op. Okay lang
You
yun.
know,
Ay, ay, ay.
We all have imperfections. And sometimes we don't realize that those imperfections can hurt other people. Just like this.
Insert that dog and the cheese.
Yeah. There. Okay. First, you're gonna
First things first, gonna relax.
let it heat down. Then put cheese.
If you want more,
I want it more cheesy.
the more the merrier.
The more, the yummier.
Yeah.
You just roll it like, yeah, rolling. And then you put some water in the tip of the wrapper. Oops.
Yeah, balawaw. Ano?
Huh?
Wala man.
Oh, like that.
We have finished it. Yeah. So many. What's next? Yo!
Huh?
Wala.
We will fry it.
We have finished it.
Oh, naluto mo na?
Ay, wala! I'm cooking ramen. Kimchi ramen. Ramen! Yeah!
Ladies, I want to give you a little forewarning. My man's social anxiety when he's out behind the turntable is kind of crazy. So be easy, all right? Day or night. Call me.
Call me. You're not on the same team. I just figured out what he reminds me of. Not when it's on the same team.
Call me. Oh, look.
And if you're ready,